I'm going to make today garlic chili oil, and I have minced garlic here, and I have chili flakes here, and you can use also the dry chili from your garden, and I used the chili flakes. And we have oil here. You can use olive oil and peanut oil, and I'm using olive oil. Now we are going to make it. So I want to show you how I make my chili oil, and Troy really like it, the chili oil. And with the garlic, it's really healthy and it's really good. So let's start it. Now we heat up our pan, and we add our oil. And the garlic. And we just have to let this cook a little bit. Okay, we have to let the garlic little bit brown, and it's whistling a little bit now. This is really good, but I cannot eat chili now because of Michelle. But this is really good because you have a garlic already, and if you are craving with the chili, the spicy stuff, you can just use this. And the garlic, it makes really good and healthy for you too. So we just have to let this cook. So you have to continuing, just mix it and mix it, so it's all going to cook together. Now I'm adding the chili flakes. And you just mix this and mix this until everything is combined. And the garlic is going to be a little bit brown. And as you can see, the oil is getting light, yellow now. Wow. Just continuing mix this so it's not gonna burn the garlic. Just continue to mix and mix and mix until we can get the color that we wanted. Oh, it's getting there. Now it's really getting brown now. Just slowly continue mix. As you can see, the garlic is getting brown, and the chili is more cooked now. And this is makes it really spicy. Just be careful when you cook this that you're not gonna put in your eyes. Okay, this is good already. The garlic is cooked. We just have to turn this off, and we just have to continually mix it until the bubble and it's gonna stop, and it's gonna be a little bit cooled down. And after that, we put this to the jar when it's cold. But yeah, this is really good. Okay, that's cooked already. So here is our garlic chili oil. So hope you like it, everybody, and who are the people wants to eat chili and garlic, who's really like that, then you can try it in your house, and it's really good. And actually, I always put it here because Troy likes it, so I always put it here, and it takes a lot of time to, you can use it because it's really good though. And yeah, with the garlic it's more healthy, and I just put it here to put in the side. And here's our garlic chili oil. Hope you like it, everybody. See you again. Bye bye.